Raccoon is a charismatic, stylish, and incredibly endearing character who instantly brings a smile to the faces of children and adults alike. The design is modern and friendly. A large, expressive head with soft fur, the raccoon's distinctive mask, and lively, kind eyes create the look of a real cartoon hero. The detailed face with neat whiskers makes the character as realistic and photogenic as possible. The costume has been thought through down to the smallest detail. A comfortable jumpsuit with braces, paired with a hoodie, creates a stylish, urban look. This raccoon looks just like a character from a favorite cartoon or children's TV show. This isn't just a life-size costume, but a character with personality who easily becomes a hit at any event. Lightweight and comfortable head design, comfort even during long shifts, excellent ventilation and visibility, loose fit, does not restrict movement, durable and hard-wearing material. Quick to put on and take off, the mascot is ideal for children's parties and birthdays, shopping centers and promotional events, photo zones and events, entertainment and show programs. The raccoon is a character who easily engages children in play, gives hugs, tells jokes, and becomes the star of the party. He is lively, warm, and very friendly. People want to have their photo taken with him. They remember him and invite him back. With this costume, you get not just a character, but a powerful tool for evoking emotions, engaging audiences, and boosting sales.